guys, today I'm going to be filming another prank on Gary. The last prank that I did, you guys said you didn't like it, you didn't want me to make Gary sad, so I'm going to be doing a very funny prank. So it's this trend going around on YouTube where you do your makeup horribly and basically you see if your boyfriend notices. So you guys, I feel like I have kind of like a what is it called, an advantage, because I'm not really good with my makeup already. So like I can do like the basic stuff like foundation, concealer, eyebrows, bronzing and all that, like contour, all that bull crap, whatever, but I can't do like eyeshadow, all the stuff that beauty gurus can do. So moment of silence for me. So I feel like I have an advantage because for them it's kind of hard to mess up. Wait, is it hard? Tianna, shut up. I'm trying to give myself an advantage. But anyway, that's besides the point. Like I said, I can't really do makeup that good anyway, so this shouldn't be hard for me. I don't think I'm gonna put on foundation and all that extra stuff or whatever. I think I'm just gonna put on concealer. I feel like the less the better that I have to take off. And I'm gonna probably straighten out my hair and then put on like a dress or something like that. I already told Gary that I might be going out with my friends. Heads up, I don't have friends, so Gary shouldn't believe me anyway. He should have known this was a prank. What I'm gonna do is when he comes home, I'm gonna go downstairs, act like I'm vlogging and be like, yeah guys, I'm about to go outside with my friends, and let's see what he says. So let's go. I have my little makeup traveling case right here. It's not sponsored. It's like, no. Eyebrows are already done, as you guys can see. I kind of did them earlier. They're not the best, but Gary's seen me with makeup on, but I think he's seen me at my worst too. So I don't know if he'll notice because my makeup is not that bad, but I don't know if he'll notice that it's bad. Yeah, you guys, I don't know. But I'm gonna be putting on this Tarte concealer. This is like this is like a tutorial. Like I'm a beauty guru. They'd be like, I'm gonna put on this Tarte concealer. Oh, it's not focusing, guys. Oh my gosh. Focus. Oh my god, this camera is so bad. It will not focus, guys. I'm just gonna link everything down below so you guys can shop it, so you can definitely get this look that I'm going for. Guys, this concealer is actually too light for me, but we're gonna work with it. This is the concealer that I usually put on after I put on my normal color concealer, just to put like a, you know, a little pop of color. That's not easy. Oh my god, beauty gurus are so annoying. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting this concealer on and I'm gonna actually blend it out with my finger. I'm not gonna use y'all about to see how light this concealer is. It's too light for me. I'm actually gonna put a lot on because I want him to be able to notice that I have this on. So I'm gonna put it here. I'm actually looking at it in the mirror. Y'all see how light that is? I look like Nelly. Oh my god, okay. Oh yes. I'm feeling very Caucasian. You guys, you want to pull your mouth down like that so you can really get into the corner. Don't use a beauty blender because that's the basic bitches. Oh god, there we go. Yes, that highlight is popping. Also bring the concealer up some with your finger. Because you want to contour your nose that way. Imagine if I barely did my makeup like that. I'm gonna use this beauty blender just to blend it out a little bit more because it does look good. I feel like Gary knows I can do my makeup a little bit better than this. So I feel like if I do it too dramatic, it should like it disappeared. Like, do you see the color contrast? It's like orange, brown, like bitch, blend. Y'all, this is how my makeup is gonna look. I want it to look that. That's the point. So I'm gonna go on with some bronzer and I'm gonna go heavy with bronzer. Brush. I'm using a Fenty bronzer. Link down where? Below. You still wanna suck your cheeks out like that? Oh, okay. Oh, she is she is everywhere. This definitely is a blush brush, I think, and this is the bronzer. You know what? Today is gonna be blush. Oh, chisel that chin. Yes, baby girl. We're gonna do some highlighter. I never wear highlighter anymore because I have textured skin, so I don't like that. But for the sake of this video, I'm gonna do highlighter instead. Oh yes. Look chalky, baby. Look chalky. Oh, highlight wear right there. I'm gonna be using this paint blush. This is the Morphe HW palette. And I'm using the color gold. Oh yeah. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Now it's showing up. Looking like Little Miss Riding Hood. I wonder if he's gonna notice. All right, y'all. I'm about to do some eyeshadow, which like I said, I don't know how to do that at all. So if you think this looks up, wait till you see my eyeshadow. And I'm gonna be putting this color in my crease. Yeah, it's because I know what you know the fuck I mean. What color is not gonna show up. I'm gonna give myself a wing. My eyebrows really do look good. Like despite my makeup being fucked up, like my eyebrows really look good. Let me just take this color Firsty and put this all over my eyelid. The color actually is really pretty. And I'm gonna take this gold color and layer it over top of that eyeshadow. There we go, making that color pop. Are you cute or no? Yeah, bitch, duh.
Period.
Put some of this color right here called Love Bug right in the tear duct. See, I know my words, y'all. I know my words. Oh, that brought me right together. That brought it right together. I'm gonna put this red lipstick on, and I'm not gonna do any hair guy. My lips are gonna be stained in the morning. Oh, oh shit. Oh, I got this. What can I do with this? I need a mirror. Because I've never used this Kylie thing, and it's like falling apart, but whatever. Oh, this right here. Oh my god. Book me. I'm doing makeup, but I'm charging, sadly, guys, because I'm just too talented. Oh shit. Alright, y'all. Once I'm done cleaning all this stuff up, I pick the camera up because I still have to pick out an outfit.
I got him some shampoo.
Thank God he needed it.
It's actually a waterless shampoo. You can just spray on them.
Okay. I might go outside tonight.
What's that?
I might go outside tonight.
Why? Wait, to go out, you mean?
Yeah.
Oh, you mean like go out for a couple hours?
Yeah. Is that okay?
Yeah, I don't care. Probably go out with your friends or...
Yeah.
Are you really?
Yeah, I'm doing my makeup right now.
Are you? Is this coming?
Wait, when did you start questioning me?
I'm just saying. Are you taking the car or...
No, my girlfriends are gonna come get me.
Oh, get out of here.
Guy, you think I'm lying? Do you want me to send you a picture? I'm doing my makeup right now.
No, I mean, if you're going to, that's fine.
You don't think I have friends?
No, I know you do. Did you not want something to eat yet?
Yeah, I want to eat before I leave.
Oh, okay, what do you want?
I don't care. I'm about to go pick up my outfit, so I love you. I'll see you when you get home.
Love you.
Alright, love you, bye. He's gonna talk about some, oh, get out of here. When I said, I'm going out with my girlfriends, because he knows I don't have no friends. But guys, this is the final look. James Charles, I'm coming for you. Kylie Jenner, I'm coming for you. I don't know which shoes I want to wear, guys, so I don't know. I'm thinking about getting these pair of shoes, guys. I don't know. I honestly don't know what shoes I want to wear, so.
Hey.
You like my makeup?
Looks great.
You don't like it?
Yeah. You going to a party or something?
I told you I was going to a party with my friend.
But it's not Halloween.
Yeah,
no,
it's not nice.
I'm just kidding. It looks good. I thought maybe, you know, it was a princess party for Disney or something.
Gabby, come here. You wouldn't take me on a date like this?
Hmm?
You wouldn't take me on a date like this?
You know, if I was gonna be maybe, I don't know, Raggedy Andy and you're Raggedy Ann.
Yeah.
No, I'm just kidding. I shouldn't say that. Yeah, I definitely would be happy to.
You like it?
Looks great.
I'm crying. I'm about to act like I'm mad that he doesn't like my makeup. He just went back into the garage, so I'm gonna say something to him again. You really don't like my makeup?
No, it looks great. I think it was fine. I think it's good.
Gary, you just
for
said
our first time, you did great.
Gary, you said I look like Raggedy Ann.
No, I didn't say that.
You think I look beautiful?
Yeah.
Can we go on a date now? I can just cancel my party. We can go on a date.
Let's go. Come on, let's go.
You ready?
How about bowling?
You don't like my makeup, baby?
Yeah, it looks good.
Baby, it's a joke.
I know. I figured that. I'm not stupid.
I'm better than I'm better with my makeup than this.
Yeah, absolutely. If you're doing makeup for something like a horror film or something, then maybe that's what it would be. But, you know.